Namaste. I am Binay Kumar Shah, currently studying mechanical engineering in Paschimantral campus Pokhara and working as a team leader of this LEA group. Today I am going to represent my project on a high payload UAV quadcopter. Basically, high payload UAV quadcopter means a type of a drone that have four rotors which all work on the principle of a lift and drift that where the motor generated. And first of all, I am going to show the video animation. This is the video animation how the drone works. Now, in the slide number 3, I am going to discuss about the component like a spider base, a spider arm, distribution board, battery, rotors, motors, electronic speed controller, electrical units, camera, propeller, etc. And in the slide number 3, I am going to discuss about the operation. In the operation, first of all, we see lift off. Flight controller increases the speed of the motor to generate enough lift to overcome gravity. Stabilization. Flight controller uses the sensor data to maintain a stable flight. Also, adjusts the motor speed to counteract any tilting or drifting. In the control, pilot use a remote control or ground station to input a command. The flight controller interprets this and adjusts motor speed accordingly. In the slide number 5, I am going to discuss about the features and the features like automatic stabilization system, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance system, work in a low visibility area, versatile, popular due to relatively simple design, thermal imaging camera. These are the features that were used in this model. In the slide number 6, I am going to discuss some little bit depth about some features like GPS navigation in a quadcopter or a drone allows the drone to determine its position on Earth or navigate autonomously or with minimum input from the operator. Here's a breakdown of how GPS work in a quadcopter, and we discuss about also the obstacle avoidance system in quadcopter or a drone is very critical for ensuring the safe flight in environments where there are potential collisions with objects such as tree, buildings, or other obstacles. These systems rely on a combination of sensor, algorithm, and control system to detect, access, and avoid the obstacle in the real time. And here's an overview of how the avoidance system work in a drone is. And we discuss about the thermal imaging camera. These are also called as infrared camera. It detects the infrared radiation, heat emitted by a body, and convert into a visual image, unlike a regular camera that can capture a visual light. Thermal camera capture the heat signature of object, which allow them to see in a complete darkness or through challenging environmental conditions like smoke, fog, or haze. In the slide number 7, we see about the design. In the design section, we discuss about the structure. Quadcopter typically have a lightweight frame made from the material like carbon fiber or plastic, which aids in the flight's efficiency. Also, it improves the efficiency of the flight. Propulsion. In the propulsion system, they use four rotors to provide enough lift and stability, allowing them for vertical takeoff and landing. From the propulsion section, we using the four rotors that provide enough lift and also generate the thrust for the vertical takeoff and landing of the quadcopter. In in the control section, we see design allows for precise control, making them suitable for various applications. In the slide number 8, we see the functionality flight mode. Quadcopter operate in various mode, including GPS. assisted navigation and manual control, sensors equipped with gyroscopes, accelerometers, and GPS. They maintain stability and navigate autonomously. Payloads, they can carry different sensors or a camera for tasks such as aerial photography, surveying, inspection, carrying goods, or medicine. Material selection. In the material section, materials are chosen according to the strength to weight ratio, durability, resistance to environmental factors. We select the material according to the environmental factors, as the material can resistance all of those environmental factors or not. Common materials include like carbon fiber for lightweight frames, plastic for various component. Also, we can see in the slide number 10 about the manufacturability. In the this slide, we see the how these production methods like 3D printing and CNC machining helps for efficient manufacturing and scalability. And we can also see this how this 3D model or component of this 3D model were made from this 3D printing and CNC machining. Also, quality control is also critical to ensure the reliability and performance, especially for commercial applications. In the slide number 11, we can see the some recently past flood and landslide in Nepal that were causes the huge loss of property and lives. Many people were died and many were lost in this rescue landslide and floods. And due to the lack of such technology, we cannot find those missing individual, and also even the dead body that were lost in landslide and flood. So uh, we have to implement all those application and all those advanced features in the quadcopter in the context of Nepal to improve the technology in our country. Also, we can see the applications in the slide number 12 in the rescue operation. In the search and rescues, drones also covers a large area in search of missing person using thermal imaging camera, infrared camera to detect body heat in challenging environment like forest and disaster zone. Delivery of, delivery of supply. It can also transport essential supplies like medical kits, food, water to inaccessible location, aiding victims during the emergency. Live video streaming. um, it can also provide live video feeds to command centers, allowing rescue teams to make informed decision based on the real-time visuals. Environmental monitoring. It can also access environmental hazards such as gas leaks, unable structures, ensuring the rescue operation that can be conducted safely. Communication relay, where the traditional communication network are down, it can act as a mobile relay station, facilitating communication between the rescuers and command centers. Coordination with ground team also enhance the coordination among the ground teams, providing the aerial views that helps strategize movements, movements and resource allocations. In the slide number 13, we see how this quadcopter help to save the people in the rescue operations like landslide, provide a safety kit. Also, we can see some AI features like autonomous navigation system. Uh, AI algorithm enables it to navigate complex environment without human intervention using the techniques like slum, simultaneous location and mapping to create a map in real time. Obstacle avoidance system. Advanced sensors and AI system helps it to detect and avoid obstacle dynamically, improving safety during the flight. Computer vision. AI powered computer vision allows drones to recognize objects, track movements, moving target, interpret visual data for tasks like surveilling or agriculture monitoring, path optimizing. Is also optimize the flight path based on the various factors like weather condition, no fly zone, energy consumption, ensuring efficient operation. Also, um, we can see the accelerometers. These are the sensors or other sensors, different sensors like infrared, GPS sensor that were used in this quadcopter. Also, we can see the impact. Quadcopter is also impact the operational efficiency across industry. reduce cost, provide innovative solution for monitoring and data collection, provide also potential to transform a sector by enabling the real-time data acquisition and improve the decision-making processes. Also, we can see the impact in the slide number 17. It also enhance the operational efficiency. Also, in the slide number 17, we already seen. Now, in the slide number 18, we talk about the conclusion. Basically, UAV's quadcopter represent a significant advancements in drone technology, combining the use and advanced functionality and broad applicability. As the technology evolve, their capability will continue to expand, leading to even a greater impact on a various industry. In the context of Nepal, we used the technology like GPS system, thermal imaging camera, infrared sensor, obstacle avoidance system, etc. In those operations like flood and landslide for finding any object or a people in both inland and water. And in the slide number 19, I am going to show the different views of my 3D model. This is the front view, this is the top view, this is the left side view, and this is the isometric view. And thank you. This is my the presentation, and I will special thanks to Krishna Dai and Somas Club and my team for giving me and guiding in such a great competition. Thank you, everyone.